Welcome to the Atlas Exercise Nutrition Glossary, a video resource covering everything from amino acids to whole grains. Knowledge is power, so let's begin. First, let's define absorption. This is the process by which nutrients are taken up by the intestines and passed into the bloodstream. Absorption is a vital part of your body's digestive system, ensuring essential nutrients reach where they are needed. Next, we have acid, which is a water-soluble, sour substance. An everyday example is vinegar. Acids are substances with a pH value less than 7, indicating a higher concentration of hydrogen ions. The term acute describes something having a sudden onset, sharp rise, and short course, often used in a medical context. When a condition is referred to as acute, it means it is severe and starts abruptly, but typically runs a brief duration. The adrenal gland is a triangular-shaped organ located on the top of each kidney, which produces the hormone adrenaline. Adrenaline, produced by the adrenal glands, is a key hormone in the body's, quote, fight or flight response. Alkali is a substance that will neutralize an acid to form a salt. It is also known as a base. Alkali substances have a pH greater than 7 and can be used to balance acidic solutions. An allergy is defined as a reaction of body tissues to a specific substance that is often harmless to others. Allergic reactions occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies a substance as harmful. Amino acids are a class of organic compounds known as the building blocks of the protein molecule. These essential compounds link together in various sequences to create the many different types of proteins needed by the body. An antibody is a substance produced in the body which reacts against bacteria, disease, or other foreign material in the bloodstream. Antibodies are a critical component of the immune system, helping to identify and neutralize pathogens. An anticoagulant is an agent that prevents or delays blood clotting. Anticoagulants are important in preventing the formation of harmful blood clots within the circulatory system. Finally, antitoxin is an antibody formed in the body which neutralizes a specific poison. Classic medical examples: KeeCap1, diphtheria antitoxin, used to treat toxin produced by Corynebacterium diphtheria. Before vaccines, this saved thousands of lives. KeeCap2, tetanus antitoxin, neutralizes toxin from Clostridium tetani, still used in emergency medicine if someone has a high-risk wound. KeeCap3, botulinum antitoxin, used in cases of botulism, rare but serious foodborne illness. KeeCap4, snake antivenom, technically a form of antitoxin, antibodies that neutralize venom. How antitoxins work: simple explanation. Toxin enters the body, antitoxin binds to it. The toxin can no longer attach to cells. Immune system clears it. Think of it like putting a cap on a key so it can't fit into a lock. In true medical science, antitoxin refers to antibodies. But in wellness culture, the term is often misused. Many foods labeled as detoxifying, antitoxin, toxin cleansing are not actual antitoxins. Your body's real detox system: liver, kidneys, lungs, digestive tract. No juice cleanse replaces that. Controversies: small diamond one. Detox industry claims. Many supplement companies use the word antitoxin incorrectly. There's little evidence that special teas, powders, or herbs remove toxins, unless the toxin is specifically identified. Small diamond 2. Heavy metal detox products. Some products claim to pull mercury or remove parasites, often not FDA approved, not clinically tested, sometimes dangerous. Small diamond 3. Anti-vaccine history. Historically, antitoxins were used before modern vaccines were widespread. Some early antitoxin therapies had inconsistent dosing because they were derived from animal serum, usually horses. Bar graph: interesting facts. The first widely successful antitoxin therapy was developed in the 1890s. Early antitoxins earned the first Nobel Prize in Medicine, 1901. Antitoxins are still used in emergency settings today. They are a form of passive immunity. You receive antibodies rather than making them yourself. Assimilate open book definition: general. To assimilate means to absorb, process, and integrate something so it becomes part of the system. Green salad nutrition definition. Assimilation is the process by which digested nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and then incorporated into body tissues for growth, repair, and energy. It happens after digestion and absorption. The sequence: ingestion, you eat food. Digestion, food is broken down. Absorption, nutrients enter the bloodstream. Assimilation, cells use those nutrients. Assimilation is where food becomes you. Fitness context. In training. Protein right-pointing arrow assimilated into muscle tissue. Carbohydrates right-pointing arrow assimilated as glycogen. Fats right-pointing arrow assimilated into cell membranes or stored energy. If assimilation is poor, you can eat well, supplement properly, train hard, and still not see results. Why assimilation matters. Some people struggle with assimilation due to gut inflammation, poor enzyme production, stress, aging, nutrient deficiencies. At 51, assimilation efficiency naturally decreases slightly, especially protein utilization, which is why adequate protein intake and digestive health matter more with age. Controversies/misuse. Keycap 1. Supplement companies sometimes exaggerate absorption rates. Keycap 2. Some products claim 100% assimilation, which is biologically unrealistic. Keycap 3. Digestive enzyme supplements are helpful for some people, but not necessary for everyone. Bar graph. Interesting facts. Vitamin D helps assimilate calcium. Insulin helps assimilate glucose into muscle cells. Resistance training improves nutrient partitioning and assimilation efficiency. Gut microbiome health plays a major role in assimilation. Assimilate. To absorb and incorporate nutrients into body tissues after digestion and absorption. In nutrition, assimilation refers to the process by which proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals become integrated into the body for energy, growth, and repair. Atrophy. The shrinking or wasting away of muscle or tissue due to inactivity, aging, or lack of nutrients. Remember that knowledge is fundamental when striving for optimal health and fitness. Avidin. A protein found in raw egg whites that binds to biotin, a B vitamin, and prevents its absorption. Cooking eggs destroys avidin. Avitaminosis. A condition caused by a long-term deficiency of one or more vitamins. Keep seeking knowledge to make informed decisions about your diet and exercise. Bacteria. Microscopic single-celled organisms. Some are beneficial, like gut bacteria, while others can cause disease. Understanding these concepts is a step towards better self-care. Bile. A digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder that helps break down and absorb fats. Stay tuned for more educational videos and resources. Thank you again for joining us, and keep exercising your mind as well as your body.